Okay, this is Jessica escaping from the bathroom.
With the wedding singer in the background.
Yeah, with wedding singer in the background. She's using a hairbrush right
wow,
now.
She's actually getting better, Ellen.
Look how close she's getting. But she still fails.
The hairbrushes.
What's she gonna get next? Is she giving up? Do you see her? What is she doing? I can't see her. Oh, she's back with the brush.
The brush is too short, Jess.
Nuh-uh.
Yeah, because you keep opening it so it comes closer to you.
What am I supposed to use? A toothbrush?
Use your finger.
No, her finger's not long enough.
Oh. God.
No, why'd you tell her? She can't do it. You suck, Jess.
You really suck.
I say we put Sarah in next and see what she does.
Let's do it. Oh, snap.
Oh my god, the water's boiling.
Yeah, what happened to mac and cheese?
Oh, time out, Jess. Oh, the water's boiling. Time out.
What am I supposed to do? Stay here?
Yeah?
Oh my god.
Caitlin's playing water without
Dun 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 dun. Not really.
I'm in the bathroom, you have water, and you can pee, so.
How long do I put this in for? Sarah!
I don't know. It's normal macaroni and cheese. You don't know how to make macaroni and cheese?
Here, I'll record
You
it.
can so survive in a bathroom because you have water and you can pee.
But you need to eat. What are you gonna eat?
So.
Toilet paper? Yeah, but what do you do when you run out?
Never thought that
Oh
far.
my god, did you know that if you drink mouthwash, you can actually get drunk off of it, but after 24 hours, you'll be like, ah!
Is she okay? Is she alive? Where is she?
I'm okay. So sending this to Matt.
I almost dropped it.
Oh my god, I forgot, oh shit.
Come on, yeah, that's how you do it, but you shut it a little. Oh my god, she's almost, but she keeps screwing up. Do you see that? She keeps.
Oh no, come back!
Sarah has it.
She sucks so bad.
Yeah, I know. No, Jessica, you just suck. Dude. Oh my god, she's a. Shut it! Oh my god.
Jessica, plastic cannot cut metal.
Shut up. You suck.
See this? This is like...
Oh my god. Oh, yeah. Oh, it took like 10 minutes. It took like, yeah.
half an hour.
Okay, let's. No, don't get. Let's get Sarah in there.
She's a cooking.
Sarah, go to the bathroom.